boys and girls. This week we're learning all about informative books. Informative books are written to give us new information or to teach us. So, one of the things we're focusing on this week is author's purpose. So, why are you writing the book? So, why did the author write the book? So, there are three different purposes. One purpose is to persuade. Another purpose is to inform, and the third is to entertain. So while we're reading this book, I want you to think about, do you think this author is trying to inform or to teach us, to persuade us to do something, or to entertain us just for our enjoyment? You'll notice there's a table of contents, which is true of what kind of books, fiction or nonfiction? Right, nonfiction. And you will notice that when we read nonfiction books, many times they are informative. You might even say nonfiction and informative are very similar types of books. Earth is our home. The earth belongs to us all. It is where we live, play, and learn. It is our home. We need to take good care of the earth. It sounds like the author is trying to persuade us to do something. What do you think they're trying to persuade us to do? Pause the video, discuss it with your learning coach. Oh, I'm glad you're back. It sounds like the author is trying to persuade us to take good care of the earth. Let's see what else the author wants to talk to us about. Air pollution. Some things pollute the earth. Most cars run on gas. Using gas pollutes the air. Hybrid cars can run on electricity and gas. This is better for the earth. Let's do it. Walk or ride your bike. This is not bad for the air at all. So boys and girls, if you're trying to take care of the earth and you have a choice between driving or maybe taking a walk or riding a bike, walking or riding a bike is better for the environment. That's one thing you could do to take care of the earth. Recycle. You can recycle to help care for the earth. This uses old items to make new ones. Bottles and jars can be made into new things. It makes less trash. Less trash means less pollution. Keep earth clean. Trash can pollute our water. Then it is not safe to drink. We can help clean up litter. This will help keep our water clean. Let's do it. Always put your trash in a bin. Pick up trash you see. See this caption here? It's giving us some ideas for how we could take care of the earth. I think this author really is trying to persuade us to take care of the earth. The author keeps giving us all sorts of reasons why we should take care of the earth. Don't waste food. Food comes from the earth. We must not waste it. Wasted food becomes trash. Always eat what is on your plate. Only take what you need. Care for animals and plants. Animals and plants live here too. Care for all living things. It is part of taking care of the earth. Here's that caption. Let's do it. Many animals make their homes in trees, but trees are often cut down. Make a birdhouse. This gives birds a safe place to live. Wow, I never realized putting up a birdhouse helps to care for animals. Did you? You know what? That helps me recognize that this is an informative book, and the author's purpose is to teach us, and in this case, even to persuade us, because I am learning something new. Oftentimes, when you learn something new when you're reading, then that's your first clue that the book is informative. Work together. Some species are endangered. Boys and girls, endangered means that there's not a lot of them and we must be careful to protect that species or that animal. They may need our help. Join a club that helps animals. Help save their habitat or home. Habitat. Remember, that word habitat means home. Plant a tree. Plant a tree to help the earth. Plants and trees can be a home for many animals. They also help keep the air clean. Whoa, look at all these features of nonfiction books or informative books. There's the label, how it works, with the caption. Plants use up a gas called carbon dioxide. Then they put oxygen back in the air. We need this to breathe. So do animals. And then over here, there's even a picture with a diagram. How a plant makes oxygen or air for us. Carbon dioxide in, oxygen out. There's the sun up top. And there's those arrows that show a cycle. Earth Day. Earth Day is April 22nd every year. Join in. Get a group together. Pick up litter, plant trees. Have fun taking care of the earth together. There is only one earth. We can all help keep it clean. How do you take care of the earth? And that's the perfect question to leave you with to discuss with your learning coach. How do you take care of the earth? Make sure you also talk about things that you learned and how you know this is an informative book. Keep up the great work.